Big car show guy.
If you ask it, you probably can't afford it. No, you can't. See these cars, you probably can't ignore it. You see this ice, it's dripping on the floor.
Good morning, everybody. It is Monday. I am just getting back off of a pretty cool weekend with the boys. Not the whole weekend, but kind of. Friday, I did a machine check with Rich Whiteman. That was really fun. We drove to a park. We held hands. There was magical squirrels.
それでは紹介しましょう。ベヒモスくんです。見て見て動くよ。ご飯を食べるよ。さらに体を駆け上がって。
And it was just it was a good time. I like, seeing friends outside of drift events. So I'm going to be editing that today. And then Saturday I went to the Renaissance Fair in Pennsylvania. If you're in Pennsylvania, I'm in Pennsylvania. But Pennsylvania. If you're in Pennsylvania and you want to do something cool, Renaissance Fair is pretty sweet. If you like big turkey legs and mac and cheese and wine and a bunch of sluts.
I'm joking.
There is a lot of busty women with their boobies out walking around. But no, I like medieval stuff. I'm a huge fan of medieval stuff, so that was a lot of fun. And then Sunday, oddly enough, we did a car show. So we're big car show guys now. Check it, you know what I mean? But we took the mop on an adventure. But we went to Static Days, it's called, put on by the coordination team at Static Struggle. They did a really good job. It was at our local track, drag strip. And oddly enough, it was a very huge, memory lane thing for me. I started doing car shows there when I was 17 or 18, I think. And it was wild. I ran into a lot of old friends.
Oh, damn, is that you, Squid? You fucked up out here.
And just being there was it was awesome. It took me back to my youth, which was really cool. Except there's a lot of things that I realized I'm not up to date with. Two-step competitions, to me, are the dumbest fucking thing. I'm just throwing it out there. It's my opinion. You do whatever you want. What the fuck?
There's a saying, Milo, if it's too loud, you're too old.
I don't understand that. How is that cool? I like limiter. Limiter's one of my favorite things. I like pops and cracks. I hate crackle tunes because it's just fucking a cry for attention. But I don't understand the competition aspect of that. It was just dumb to me. Have fun, do your thing. I'm showing my age. Because it's completely, I don't understand it. The low limbo thing, that was cute. It was fun. Chad actually did it, which is hilarious. And he got fairly far. But I don't understand that either. Because you can't judge the height of a car by its roof. You judge it by the bottom, underneath. Frame rails, or I don't know how you would even judge the bottom. But either way, didn't make any sense, but it was fun. I liked, they get the crowd engaged, and that was cool. And I guess the two-step thing is for the crowd to get them engaged. But at least it's not takeover BS, you know what I mean? That's fucking super stupid. But yeah, I had a lot of fun. I didn't film a lot. I was messing with the camera and just taking some random footage, but you'll kind of get that from this channel. We'll have footage of the events and things, but it's not about that. It's not about going somewhere to make content. It's about we happen to be there doing rad stuff, and we happen to have cameras, and we might film some of it. Living in the moment, living, life means way more. You don't always have to have everything on camera. Anyway, that was pretty cool. So shout out to Static Struggle. Shout out to their whole coordination team. Shout out to the track workers. They were having fun. It was they were dressed up like Halloween themed, which that was pretty cool to see, because at some of these tracks, some track workers are fucking uptight. But yeah, I'm going to do some editing today, and I'll put that video out. So here comes a montage. It's gonna need a montage.
Take to
There's gonna be like food trucks here, so
Oh, look at them all.
I'm excited. It looks fucking lit. Big car show guy. Real big car show guy.
Clearly.
Look how nice and clean my car is.
Look at all these busy bees.
That's us. We're just big car show guys today.
Buzz, buzz, buzz.
They're down there working.
I'm in love with the coco. I'm in love with the coco. I got it for the Lolo. I'm in love with the coco. I'm in love with the coco. I'm in love with the coco. I got it for the Lolo. Turn up. I'm in love with the coco. Hit my plug, that's my cholo. Cause he got it for the Lolo. If you snitchin', I go loco. Hit you with that 38. Niggas thinking that I'm solo. 50 deep, they like, oh no. No, please no. Heard the fans taking photos. I know nothing but the popo. Baking soda, I got baking soda. Baking soda, I got baking soda. Whip it through the glass, nigga. I'm blowing money fast, nigga. I'm in love with the coco. I'm in love with the coco. I got it for the Lolo.
Big car show guy.
Big car show guy. No, they look really good. That's why I'm here.
Oh, he's close, but he's gonna be. Oh, I don't know if he did.
Are we gonna make it, you think? I don't know.
Take your shirt off.
If your shirt's off, you're lower.
Last two top 5 best stats. Next top 5 best stats.
Hello? Yeah, is that you? Can you hear me? Yeah. Third best static, bitch.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. Who let the dogs out? 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 Who let the dogs out?
Well, the party was nice, the party was pumping, and everybody having a ball until the fellas started name calling. And the girls respond to the call. I have a woman shout out.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
I see the dance people had a ball cushion. Billy Fountains get out. Get back, Gruffy. Bash Gruffy. Get back, you flea infested mongrel.